In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. If you're managing a team or collaborating with others in your company using Zoho Books, it's crucial to understand how to effectively set or adjust user roles and invite new users to your account seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the Zoho Books website. Open up your preferred browser and type in the URL or simply search for Zoho Books. Once you're on the site, you should see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, it will take you directly to your Zoho Books homepage. Once signed in, you'll be on the Zoho Books homepage. Look around until you find the settings option. Clicking on settings is your gateway to customizing your Zoho Books experience, allowing you to configure various options including user management. In the settings menu, you'll notice a section labeled users and roles. This hub is where you manage who has access to your Zoho Books account and what permissions they have. Click on users and roles to continue. Once you've entered the users and roles section, look for the users tab. Clicking on users will display a list of current users associated with your Zoho Books account. This section gives you a clear overview of who currently has access and what roles they're assigned. This is particularly useful if you need to review or change account permissions. Now, it's time to invite a new user. Within this same section, you'll see the option to invite user. Clicking this button will open up the invitation form. Here, a window will appear prompting you to enter the prospective user's email address and assign them a role within your Zoho Books account. Ensure that the email address is entered correctly to prevent any invitation mishaps. The roles available span from admins to custom roles with specific permissions, depending on how you've configured your user roles. Assign a role that aligns with what responsibilities the new user will handle in Zoho Books. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Send to dispatch the invitation. The invited user will receive an email containing a link to join your Zoho Books account. They simply need to accept this invitation to gain access to the account with the permissions you've set for their role. With these steps, you now have the tools to efficiently manage user access within your Zoho Books setup, ensuring that your team collaborates effectively while maintaining necessary security controls. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your Zoho Books user management process. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.